Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Next Stop News October 2022. SacRT bus drives by. Text, System-wide free rides for California Clean Air Day, October 1st to October 7th. Smart on-demand transit shuttle. Text, Ride Natomas-North Sacramento SmaRT Ride for free in October. Jibe sponsoring free rides. SacRT Town Hall meeting. Text, Bus stop improvement plan. 2 open houses scheduled in October. 39th Street UC Davis Light Rail Station. Text, SacRT continues partnership with UC Davis Health. Check out the 39th Street UC Davis Health Station. SacRT Rex dancing and meeting riders. Text, watch for SacRT Rex this Halloween. Pop-ups planned for October. Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, check out the October edition of Next Stop News at sacrt.com/nsn.